In this video, you will learn how to manage team access and assign project-specific roles using the Team Settings screen in Set Pro. Let's begin our journey on the Team Settings screen. Here is where you can manage your production team members and decide who gets access to what. Here, you can assign role-based access to each team member and also decide which specific projects they should be able to view or work on. To invite a new team member, simply click on the Invite button in the top right corner. Now enter the person's name, for example, Gagan Upadhyay, and their email address. Once the basic details are filled, you can assign their role depending on what they're responsible for, such as producer, first, AD, admin, and more. You can also limit their access to a single project or multiple projects based on what they need to work on. For example, let's say I want to give Gagan Upadhyay access as a producer for a specific project named Myro. I'll select the producer role, choose the Myro project from the list, and then click on Save. And the member is successfully added. Once the invitation is sent, the person will receive an email containing an Activate button. They need to click on this button to activate their account. After activation, the user should log in using the same email address that was invited. For example, Gagan will log in using the email ID. Once logged in, they will immediately see access to the assigned project, in this case, Myro, on their dashboard. You can also assign the same user to multiple projects if needed. For example, I'm now giving access to another project called Sister Midnight. This additional project will instantly appear on Gagan's screen as part of their accessible projects. If at any point you need to remove someone's access, simply go to Manage Users, select the user or the specific project, and delete the access. For example, in this case with Sister Midnight, I can delete it. This is how you can easily manage roles, control project-level access, and ensure that your production teams have the exact permissions they need. Thank you.